Welcome to the University of Southern Philippines Foundation. In preparation for the gradual resumption of limited face-to-face classes, and in accordance with the approved guidelines of the Commission on Higher Education and the Department of Health, the University of Southern Philippines Foundation implements enhanced health and safety protocols for strict compliance by all students and personnel entering both the Lahug and Mabini campuses. The campuses are open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. only. Before you leave your homes, please assess your health status. If you feel feverish, are experiencing minor coughs or colds, or any other discomforts that would keep you from effectively learning or working while in campus, please stay at home and inform your dean, principal, or department head. Prepare and always bring a hygiene kit with you. The kit must contain alcohol, sanitary wipes, extra face masks, and other essentials before you leave your homes. Always wear your face mask and face shield while inside the campus. In accordance with a recent CHED advisory, only fully vaccinated students of HEIs located in areas under Alert Levels 1, 2, and 3 shall be allowed to join limited face-to-face classes. Fully vaccinated students with a high risk of contracting COVID-19 with significant comorbidities themselves or living with individuals with similar conditions are advised to consider flexible learning and take face-to-face classes in succeeding semesters or whenever possible without prejudice to readmission and maximum residency. A one entry, one exit per day policy for students will also be implemented. Students shall not be allowed to leave the campus premises between classes. Each student shall only be permitted one entry and one exit per day. USPF requires students to go straight to their assigned rooms upon entering the campus. They shall not be allowed to loiter. Students shall leave the campus immediately after their classes. Please be advised that there are specific gates for specific purposes. The main entrance will be for visitors, contractors, suppliers, students, USPF employees, and dormitory personnel. The back gate will be for USPF employees and dormitory personnel only, and gate number 2 and basement parking area will be for vehicles only. Individuals entering the USPF campuses must strictly adhere to the safety protocols, specifically, step on the footpath, disinfect your hands with sanitizers or alcohol, have your temperature checked. Security personnel will disallow entry for anyone with a temperature of 37.5 or higher. No face mask, no face shield, no vaccination card, no ID, no entry. Accomplish the health declaration form. For individuals with vehicles, please observe the following guidelines upon entering the campus. Wear face mask, face shield, and your school or company ID. Inform the security personnel of your purpose for entry. Submit to a temperature check. Individuals with temperatures of 37.5 degrees or higher will not be allowed entry into the campus. Accomplish the health declaration form and submit this to the security officer. Drive your vehicles over the wheel bath and then park your vehicles at the designated parking area only. Students are required to wear their IDs upon entering the campus and throughout the entire duration of your stay inside the campus. Practice social distancing. Make sure to always practice social distancing and keep at least a 1.5 meter distance between you and other individuals. Compliance will be strictly monitored by our safety officers. Transparent or clear partitions in each classroom, laboratory, and between eating cubicles. Students and personnel are required to sanitize or wash their hands before and after entering all sections or rooms of the campus. Sanitation stations are available on all floors of all buildings. Using the elevators. A maximum of 2 individuals are allowed inside the elevators. Follow the markers on the floor to ensure proper physical distancing. You may use your elbow to press the buttons for your preferred floor level. Using the stairs and ramps. When using the stairs and ramps, please pay attention to the signs and guides of where you should be standing and walking. Using the classrooms. An acrylic barrier between the teacher and the students is installed in the classrooms. To ensure proper ventilation and air circulation, windows will be kept open and fans will be provided. Before and after class, students should clean their desks for sanitation purposes and as a courtesy to the next users. Using the canteen. Clear acrylic barriers are installed per table in the canteen. Physical distancing must be strictly observed. Only take off your face masks and face shields while eating and drinking. Students are highly encouraged to bring their own food or to buy from the school canteen. The university is implementing a one entry, one exit policy. Exiting the campus to buy food during breaks will not be allowed at this time. In addition, as part of the Zero Plastic Drive, the students are encouraged to bring their own utensils, plates, and drinking bottles even when buying food from the canteen. Using the library. Students who wish to study at the library must follow proper sanitation protocols. Please be guided by the markings to maintain social distancing. The library shall also be implementing a no talking policy and will only allow 50% maximum capacity. The maximum stay of a student in the library per visit will also be limited. Any book taken out from the shelves should be left on the table for sanitation. The librarians will collect all the books and place them in the UV box for sanitation before putting the books back on the shelves. For books borrowed and brought outside, please inform the librarian when you will be returning these. Place them in the UV box provided at the entrance. Using the comfort rooms. When using the comfort rooms, please observe proper physical distancing and 50% maximum capacity limit within the area. Please wash your hands properly after you use the comfort rooms. Using the laboratories. The laboratories have been strategically retrofitted in accordance with the CHED and DOH guidelines for the safe conduct of face-to-face classes. For their safety and protection, students and instructors are asked to abide by these guidelines as well. Protocols for students exhibiting minor symptoms while in campus. If a student begins to exhibit mild coughs and colds while in campus, they must report to the clinic immediately. The nurse will isolate the student and follow the standard medical procedure for possible COVID-19 cases inside the campus. The student's parent or guardian will be notified right away. The university also has a designated isolation room for suspected COVID-19 cases, where a student or employee showing signs of COVID-19 will wait for their parents or guardians to pick them up. Your safety is our priority. The University of Southern Philippines Foundation campuses have been retrofitted with necessary fixtures and amenities in order to enhance the university's safety and health protocols against COVID-19. A protocol officer for every building has been assigned to ensure that these preventive and protective measures are implemented. Still, even with these enhancements, regular disinfections, and institutional protocols in place, we ask everyone to always be vigilant in observing minimum health protocols and to get vaccinated to maximize protection against the coronavirus. Helping build a better tomorrow starts with your health and safety today. Stay safe, everyone.